I'm Brooke Tyler, and you're at Classique with me right now in Asheville, North Carolina, in our beautiful studio. And I got to tell you about CoreSelf. So I've been making Pilates videos for years because I love it. And I really started making them because I want you to do this at home all the time. So you can take this with you and put it into your everyday life, and then come in the studio, of course, because I want to get my hands on you. I want to give you all the detailed feedback you need. But then you can take this with you. You can do this mat work wherever you go. Thus, CoreSelf is being born. This is the online video subscription platform that's launching right now, where I'm filming videos in this beautiful space on the regular, so I can bring you content that is relevant, fresh, seasonal. It's in tune with what's going on around you, different levels, different times, and it's not overwhelming. I want you to be not overwhelmed. I want you to feel like you can connect to the workouts. You can do them. You can make them part of your routine. You can do the same one a few times so you feel like you really get it in your body. And then you can take it into life. And that's what I've always done. I love Pilates. I do it all the time, daily, sometimes many times in a day. And the way I do it, it brings in this Chinese medicine philosophy because I'm an acupuncturist as well. So it's this whole person strength, this embodiment of feeling like I am this complete person. Mind, body, spirit's all connected, but it's not woo-woo wacky. I mean, it's just very integrated. It's like this is how I want to show up, fully connected to myself, so then I can really connect with you and the world around me, and how I'm moving, how I'm riding my bike, how I'm hanging out with my kids, all those things. So this is what I love to do, and I'm excited to share it with you. So check it out. Check out CoreSelf in detail and get it going. Do your core work. Join me. Come in the studio. All right. Enjoy.